Welcome, I'm Mike, and I've led digital transformations in banking and retail through the web and the mobile tech waves. I am a business architect on new tech implementation. In this Gen AI era, I help organizations architecting and transforming their business to integrate smart, business-first AI agents that customers love and teams actually use. Me and my team will show you how to design your first real front-end AI agent powered on conversational AI to replace your outdated chatbot. AI agents are not only about the tech and IT build side of things. Every organization should know also about the design, the key stage for the business side of organizations. These AI agents are a business tool that, when co-created with IT, delivers on real business outcomes. We recently helped a mid-size e-commerce player deploy their first AI agent for customer service and order guidance. Within weeks, they saw a 15% uplift in conversion, and while their customer database is growing, so is their basket size, and their annual revenues are up to grow into 1 to 1.5 million euro. I will also walk you through the steps on how to design agentic workflows to align the business design to your business goals. The LLMs as we know them now, such as ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Perplexity AI, are based on complex mathematical models using general-purpose datasets. General-purpose datasets basically mean the whole internet. But did you know that, according to IBM's Research Center, only 1% of current LLMs contain only some enterprise data? This presents a huge opportunity to every business, but it is not being told widely to businesses, while it is the hidden key to unlock AI potential for your business. So here are some first very important tips for your business to know. Understand that all the preparatory work you must do to make your data to work is decreased because of current LLMs. So don't hire large data teams to curate and label datasets. That's traditional AI. Carefully investigate which LLM model you are going to choose to create your business value according to your business needs. Work on this selection process in an open AI community, not being the big names I just mentioned. Steer this private LLM with your enterprise data, and the most critical tip I can give you: keep it in your private LLM. And don't share your enterprise data to the world. In this modern Gen AI era, you can boost chatbots with more intelligence and creativity. Chatbots 2.0, or now better known as an AI agent. An AI agent takes action based on intent, context, and business logic. In another YouTube video, I explained that there will be two categories of AI agents living in your organization. AI agents should save money or make money for your business. Simple rule of thumb for every design, for every digital transformation. As a business architect, I always worked in transformation programs, designing and implementing apps, from web apps to mobile apps and now LLM apps, which is really what AI agents actually are. I hand it over now to our assistant Shonai, explaining our definition of an LLM app/AI agent.
Thank you, Mike. An LLM app is a digital application which acts as a digital worker that understands customer or employee instructions and take actions to complete a task towards a business goal. Business goals are usually driven by an use case. The term chatbot is not useless here, as some say. Tell that to your customers. Over 75% of chatbots we researched, mainly deployed by small and medium enterprises, are poor to very poor in customer conversations and thus very poor in customer service, customer intelligence, and customer loyalty. If you want to engage with your customer at the conversational channels in 2025 and beyond, your design starts at the bottom right. We highly recommend to start unlock the AI potential for your business here and take it from there. Especially when you are a small or medium enterprise. Here is an example from our research. This is from a well-known fashion brand and retailer that ships to over 15 markets in the EU. Oh my God! This is terrible, right? Would you treat a customer like this? Let's see how fast and easy you can redesign this experience with AI.
This is the trap many companies fall into, especially in retail or customer service. They start with that chatbot 1.0 mindset. When you click that little chat icon, What happens a lot? Customers get stuck in that rule-based decision tree. Track order. Choose your product. Was it delivered? It's rigid. It's coded. It's a rule-based bound app. It doesn't understand you, and it certainly doesn't adapt to your context. This type of bot is usually built with traditional or intent-matching logic. It's legacy automation. It's automation, yes, but it's not intelligent. It can't reason, remember, or act beyond the tree it was built in.
Thanks, Mike. Now let me show you what modern AI agents look like in the real world. A mid-sized e-commerce player had some problems: no chatbot at all, too many customer service questions, too few people, and too much friction at checkout. We designed a front-end AI agent built on LLM technology that could provide customer guidance based on a variety of questions, using follow-ups to enrich the interaction, recommend relevant products, answer complex shipping questions, and reduce cart abandonment by guiding users through key decisions. The result? As Mike already told you earlier, higher customer satisfaction and, among others, a 15% increase in conversion. All by designing tasks focused on business outcomes, not just a chatbot but an intelligent agent. Let's hand it over to Mike again to explain the details on AI agent business first design.
Thank you, Shonai, for running us through these cases. Before we even touch the tool, I have always worked with clients on business first, strategic design. That's also now the foundation for every killer AI agent. So let's share with you, in this video only, on what we have learned on digital design and how to apply it in Gen AI digital transformations. First of all, before you design an agent, design the opportunity it needs to serve. An AI agent design framework should follow 5 clear steps to make sure the agent is rooted in real-world business impact. First step is to get digital experience understanding and optimization. Will it replace something, enhance something, or unlock something new? You may want to call it the front-end business requirements. Second step, conversational analysis and design. Who is it for, and what experience should it deliver? What about the sentiment analysis? And is it fair, inclusive, safe, and compliant? Agent interaction templates can be designed and built in place to have the agent desired tone and behavior. Third, the knowledge graph. Similar to your knowledge base you have or will build in the back end. It's here where new intelligence resides about your current customers, and new segments will be identified, analyzed, and served. Fourth, the dialogue builder. This is similar to the agentic workflows for back-end agents, which we will discuss later in this video. We call this the agentic business flow. They are intelligent, personal, and relevant. And the fifth step are the widgets. These are your tools as a key part in for AI agents. Widgets are individual information components which will help your customer to simplify structure and complete a task or engage in a talk. But don't consider it just a talk. It's an opportunity to interact and learn your customer intelligently. A framework like this helps to ground the AI agent in real business problems, not hypothetical flows. With the right questions in your design framework, you define the why behind the agent. Before design the how. Now that we've mapped the opportunity, we need to pick the right conversation for the agent. Once we understand the business goals, we can define the conversation type the agent will own. There are 4 core conversation patterns that show up again and again in good AI agent design. 1. Dialogues, being reactive Q&A. 2. Knowledge talks, being providing recommendations or content. 3. Alert and reminders. And 4. Small talk, for returning users and cross-sell. Instead of trying to build a do-everything agent, take an agile design approach. Pick one clear conversation to learn, adapt, and win. Now, before you start building, let's talk infrastructure. These are the 6 ingredients every AI agent needs to function properly. They are 6 key parts, which is highly recommended to be co-created by teams where business and IT work together. Let's run them down for you. First, there is the LLM. It is putting a super intelligent brain into your business who understand a lot, in any language, on how your business works, for example, with customers over multiple regions. I emphasize this again. The key in the design process is you choose the right LLM. The second key part is prompting. It is conversation development. It's the art of prompt engineering. No coding here. It is making sure the agent understands the many possible prompts and works for the business. Yes, it is the business to decide the desired behavior of the agent, so it serves the right outcomes for the end client. So, this is conversation development by the business. To design this, use the framework I just presented before. Do not underestimate this when designing and building AI agents. The reason is simple. If you design it wrong, you will get non-desired outcomes. Garbage in, garbage out. Yes, indeed, it is also valid in the AI era as much as in the previous tech eras. When designed wrong, the LLM app/AI agent will not be used. Does this sound familiar from the past digital transformations? I think you got what I am saying here. The third key part is memory. A good design memory is required. Why? So your agent can 1. Remember previous chats. 2. It can track its task which he is designed to do. 3. It can learn from the past and from your other private interactions. And 4. The memory can build on other conversations. Let's continue with ingredient number 4, the knowledge base. This is about steering your chosen, pre-trained LLM with your enterprise data, for example, spreadsheets and text files. Number 5, tools is about API-centric design, giving the agent access to your digital enterprise tools, like CRM for front-end agents and email and inventory systems for back-end AI agents. And finally, the last key part, human in the loop. When you don't want to give the agent access to sensitive enterprise data, for example, to mitigate certain risks, or you want to provide an exit point in your flow to a human employee, for example, to control output before it's provided to the client. Platforms like Aphensys or Core AI help you to build and design these key parts quickly within weeks, not months anymore. And those platforms eases design and integration with the enterprise. They use pre-trained and fine-tuned LLMs to work in the business context. And you can design and build on a library with hundreds of proven use cases. Summarized, if any of these 6 key parts are missing, your agent can't function. So before launching anything, get your foundation right. With the right task and technical foundation, now we move to AI-powered workflow design, the heart of your agent or portfolio of agents. An agentic workflow design follows a logical pattern. 1. Trigger, intent, what starts the conversation. 2. Data access, what info is needed, for example, order ID, account status. 3. Decision logic, how does the agent reason. 4. Action output, what result is delivered to the user. 5. Learn, the agent learns and future interactions will be even more personal and relevant. Let's show you how you can reimagine workflows of your businesses and organizations in the Gen AI era, how you can use the previously explained logical pattern, how you can have design meet intelligence, like in this animated flow here of a loan application for our real client use case for conversational banking. For agentic design, keep asking these 4 questions. Does it adapt to the user's wording? Does it remember session data? Can it access real-time systems? Can it make decisions and perform tasks? When you design both front-end and back-end agents using these questions, an AI agent isn't just a legacy sequence. It can handle unstructured input, reason, and act. The result? You will get full agentic workflows. 3 tech waves, web apps, mobile apps, and now LLM apps. What they have in common? They redesign business through technology. For this Gen AI tech wave, summarized, the business specifics are: workflows will be redesigned, reimagined, not patched. Agents are co-created with humans in the loop, not just system build. Every successful AI agent starts with a strong business-first design, so they will be used. And the best solutions don't start with the question, what's possible, but with the business question, what matters. In this century, I have not seen a business yet asking to build an app which will not be used. Business leaders, which have been around at the other tech waves, know what I am saying here. Let me leave you with this. Your first agent doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be valuable. Start with a single task. Test it in one channel, like your web chat. Track one metric, like conversion, customer life value, or call deflection. Then launch, improve, expand. That's right also in GenAI digital transformations, work agile. That's how you upgrade a traditional chat. That's how to design your first AI agent, serving intelligent flows with business value and smart architecture in mind. Don't forget to like this video if this helped, or subscribe to see more learnings I share from our YouTube Business Learning series on AI.